the smart way to build extra income and protect your future. What would happen if your paycheck just disappeared tomorrow? Most people are just one emergency away from financial disaster, yet they keep depending on one income stream. The truth is, the world has changed. The old way of earning money is broken. You work harder, yet prices keep rising. But there's another way, a better way. Today, I'm breaking down how to create a reliable income stream online so you can stop stressing over money and start living life on your terms. No tech skills, no selling products, no complicated setup. Just a proven system that's working for thousands. If you want financial security, you need to hear this. I'm going to show you why relying on one income is risky, how digital income streams work, the 3 simple steps to get started today, and I'll prove that anyone, yes, even you, can do this. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a free guide that will help you take your first step today. Let's talk about cold, hard facts. Over 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck. Jobs aren't as secure as they used to be. AI, artificial intelligence, and automation are replacing them faster than ever. Social security, it's barely enough for basic living expenses. So, what's the solution? You need an income that you control. That's where digital income streams come in. They work 24/7, require no employees, and aren't tied to a boss or a paycheck. It's the smartest way to future-proof your finances. Imagine this. You wake up every morning knowing your bills are covered. No more paycheck to paycheck stress. No more worrying about unexpected expenses. More time with your family. Less time at a job you hate. Sounds like a dream, right? But for thousands of people, including myself, it's already a reality. I know what it's like to struggle, to feel stuck. But what changed my life was realizing that I didn't have to keep doing what wasn't working. And today, I'm showing you how to take that first step. Here's the harsh truth. Most people wait too long. They wait for the right time. They wait until they're less busy. They wait until they're forced to make a change. But waiting costs you more. Inflation isn't stopping. Jobs aren't getting safer. And AI is moving faster than you think. If you don't start creating extra income now, when will you? What if you could start today with a simple, proven system that's already working for thousands of others? The 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1, watch my free guide on how this works. Step 2, set up your system. It's simpler than you think. Step 3, start earning while you're learning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not MLM, multi-level marketing. It's a real, sustainable way to build financial security. I broke this down for you in my live replay. Click the link in my description and watch the live replay and join me to build extra income on your terms. Don't miss it. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're serious about securing your future, now is the time to start. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to take control of your income and your life. Click the link in the description now to watch the replay as I reveal how to build an extra income stream and secure your future starting today. I will see you on the other side, and I am here to help you every step of the way to secure your future.